Hello, my name is Victor Rojas. With over 25 years of experience in IT support and customer service, I have honed my skills in delivering exceptional customer experiences. Additionally, my experience as a first level, second level, and third level IT support agent, where I resolved technical issues and followed up with customers to ensure their needs were met, further demonstrating my commitment to client satisfaction. Throughout my career, I have consistently demonstrated my ability to adapt and grow. For instance, I transitioned from IT support roles to SAP development, where I not only improved my technical skills but also enhanced my communication abilities by collaborating with various departments to resolve customer issues efficiently. This progression showcases my growth mindset and dedication to continuous improvement, which I believe is essential for the remote customer service representative role. I am fluent in both English and Spanish, which allows me to effectively communicate with a diverse customer base. My familiarity with CRM software and various office tools will enable me to document customer interactions accurately and efficiently. I am also committed to participating in regular training to stay updated on product offerings and company policies, ensuring that I can provide the best possible support to customers. I am enthusiastic about the opportunity to contribute to your team and help enhance customer experiences. I believe my extensive background in customer service and IT support, combined with my bilingual skills, make me a strong candidate for this position. I look forward to the possibility of discussing how I can support your mission and contribute to the success of your team. Thank you.